Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 272, lost connection due to an error in Roblox. So the first thing and the basically simple thing that you can do here is to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to disable browser security setting. And to do so, open up your browser. I'm basically using a Brave browser, but it's pretty similar to Chrome as well. What you need to do here, you need to just press three little dots here if you're on Chrome, or three little lines here if you're on Brave. And then you need to go to settings here. And then you need to go to privacy and security. And then you need to go to security and select no protection here and turn off, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you just need to clear your Roblox temporary cache file. And to do so, you just need to press Windows Anaki, or just on search write run, and then just run, basically write here %sign appdata %sign, press OK, and then select appdata local, and then you need to find temp file. And on the temp file, you need to find Roblox folder here and delete Roblox temporary cache files here, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can clear Roblox cache in browser. And to do so, open up your browser, open up your Roblox and log into your account. And then just press right click on whatever you want here, go to inspect, and then go to application, storage, and then you just need to clear site data, restart or refresh your browser here, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you can change your DNS Google, basically DNS server to Google. And to do so, on the bottom right corner, you should see system tray, and here you should see network icon here. So you need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then you need to go to advanced network settings here, more adapter options, and then you should see your internet here. Right click on it, go to properties, make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, there is no tick on it, and on internet protocol version 4, you just need to click on it, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Press OK here and apply changes, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you're having the problem, then you need to basically clear your DNS cache. And to do so, you just need to open up on search, just find CMD or command prompt, and right click on it, go to run as administrator here, press yes, and here you just need to basically put all the commands here one by one and press enter. So first one is ipconfig renew, another one is ipconfig flush DNS, and another one nesh int IPv4, nesh int IPv6, nesh win HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig register DNS. And then you start your computer, and you need to look if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to reinstall Roblox. So to do so, what you need to do here is to just press Windows Anaki, or just type run, write appdata %sign, and then you need to go to appdata local, delete Roblox folder here, and then you need to go to installed files, also uninstall Roblox from your computer here. And if you want to install it again, what you need to do here is to open up your browser, log into your account, run whatever game you like here, and you will get a message that you can download and install Roblox to your computer. So do so, and if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to get Roblox from Microsoft Store. Super easy to do. It's if you're running Windows, your computer running Windows operating system, you just need to go to Microsoft Store, and here you just need to write Roblox here and download and install Roblox from your Microsoft Store. and you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you apply all these changes here, the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.